Hello, hello. Back. I've been lazy for a while. Haven't done many videos. This is the way I did some vacation stuff. Posted those. That was some pretty good fun. Was really looking forward to that when I went home to Manitoba. I knew that I was going to be doing some playing, and then actually I did some playing in Halifax with some people. That was nice too. Didn't record any of it, but it was nice. But now I'm back. It feels like forever since I've sat in front of this camera and done anything. So let's start with one right now. Willie Nelson on the road again. Quite a bit to go through there, so we'll get through this here. We'll start with just the chords. So to just play straight chords in the song, you start with this original song is in E, but to do a melody, you need to to change it to a D so you can get the melody. And I'm sure it helps with some of the chords too. I don't remember. But so it's D. F sharp, E, G, A, D. And then the chorus is G, D, G, D, A. That's it. Now, to do the melody and the chords at the same time, oops, let's get more comfy here. I'm going to put it all together. See, with Willie, a lot of his solos and melodies, his vocal melodies, all the same. He uses the same sequence or the same melody for both his solos and his vocals, so it's kind of easier to figure out the melodies, but at the same time his phrasing and the way he does stuff, the way he sings is, you hear countless interviews people saying it's hard to follow him just because he does things differently than everyone else. But so what we're going to do is just starting off little by little here. So you just hit the A, the low D and the A. You go to the F sharp. Now the way we're doing the F sharp is a little bit different than a normal way, which would be like that or a bar. I use a thumb in the middle and a ring, so it leaves the pointer open and the pinky open, because you need to hit those strings while holding the bottom two notes. So 2nd fret on the 1st. Screwing up. So that's basically the verses, and then for the chorus we start with a walk up to the G. To the D. So G again, I'm doing the thumb, finger, finger, and the reason I'm doing it that way is it gives, if I use my fingers, I lose some reach on my pinky, but if I use my thumb, that frees up my pinky to go further. So I'll do the chorus again. That's basically it. That's the song. Let's do it. I'm going to do it one more time, strumming it. I'll go with the whole straight through, and then I'll show you what I've been kind of playing around with. I've been finger picking a little bit on it. Let's see what that sounds like. If I don't screw it up. No, so the intro. Did we do the intro? Can't remember. So the intro's got that hammer on when he's doing it. Kind of got it at the end there. Kind of screwed up at the beginning, but that's normal for me. I was watching a movie. Don't remember what the hell I was watching, but there was a line in it, and it said, "It doesn't matter how well you play. I'm close. It doesn't matter how well you play. It matters how well you feel while you play." That's basically what it comes down to. You know, if you're playing to show off for anyone else and all that, that's whatever. But if you're playing just because you feel good when you play, well, nothing's ever going to beat that. So that's what you should strive for. Wish it was my words. I stole it from some movie. But it doesn't matter. Anyways, practice, patience, and have fun, and we'll see you guys next time.